Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I am going to be doing my declutter with me. I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my dresser and my closet, just because I like to do this like for every season. Like for winter I like to declutter, spring, fall, summer, like I like to declutter just because I know I'm gonna buy things, so I need to get rid of things so I can get new things. So that is why I'm going to declutter and organize my drawers and closet. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this declutter with me. Okay, so that is it for my declutter with me. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I am going to be donating these clothes just because I don't like to throw them in the trash. Like, why not just donate it so someone can give the clothes some use, because why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye my loves. Mwah.